What's going on, guys? Dan Matthews here. I'm about to show you my credit score right now dealing with this company. On average, I'm most let's see here. How do I get to into my phone? Where is it at? There. Where is it? Right in front of me the whole time. But anyway, here we go. Check Credit Karma real quick. 1, 2, 1, 2, and here's my credit score. I mean, it was in the 700s. I remember when it used to be in like 530, 540, and it was crazy. And I couldn't even get approved for any credit cards or financing for a car or anything like that. And when I got involved with the company, all this stuff changed, man. I mean, all this changed, and this is pretty darn good. Like I said, my goal is to get a house, man. My goal is to get a house, a good house, man. And in order to get what I want, I need to have the credit where it needs to be to get that good loan, a good finance. I mean, a good interest and all that. I want the best of the best uh, when it comes to buying a house when I get financed. So, guys, this is amazing. I mean, this is a milestone for me, and I am pretty stoked right now. I am happy. Uh, I got approved for an 8,000 credit card limit, $8,000 credit card limit, and that is amazing. I'm not even that is just amazing to me. So, guys, click the link below and get involved, man. This is pretty amazing.